Welcome back. Erica's going to show me...
They didn't go anywhere because it's only like 2 seconds in their time.
Oh yeah, that's true. If you just cycled from the last video, then you saw the exceptional costume that I threw together in a matter of a couple minutes.
Do more than one video?
And rambling brain idea.
We're gonna do more than one video?
I don't know.
Anyways.
My
turn, and I actually have 2 costumes.
It's cheating.
So, Portland pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Have you ever?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Show us.
Alright. First things first.
I'm the realist. Uh-oh.
I found this hat that says Land Back Weed Warriors Association.
What the...
It has like weird things taped to it.
It's like pre-made.
So...
Oh, it's straight out of the bins. There's stuff like floating off of this.
That with these shorts.
Okay.
So I also wanted to like get things that maybe we could resell.
Okay.
You know, or like keep for other theme parties. So like we go to a lot of Hawaiian stuff. So I thought maybe.
What's funny is these are like translucent.
So that hat with these shorts.
Going commando in those.
And then
I do declare.
this.
I'm a weed farmer.
Yes.
That's okay.
Basically, like Hawaiian.
Very Portland. Very.
Weed farmer.
Our costumes can come together.
With your little lantern.
Okay. This is my mouth.
So that's option number
Let
1.
me find my weed.
I really just picture this outfit of
Oh.
like you mowing the lawn in it without a shirt on
I can do that.
in this outfit. So that's number 1. Now my second choice or costume was the first thing I saw at the bins. So this is the one where like you would need to wear your own pants because I couldn't find like pants. But you have this like royalty jacket. I would like, it makes me think of like commander, but like in the Siberian.
Okay.
Siberia. And why I say Siberia
Siberian Commander.
is because
Yakuva Shvakalnhaka.
this
That's my actual name.
was the
What the?
first thing I found at the bins.
Oh God.
It's like a
Siberian tiger.
Siberian tiger, like a...
Don't touch me with that.
What? I'm gonna put it on your head.
No!
You're gonna wear it.
That thing has flavors on it.
I'll wear it.
She was sterilized soon after this video.
So you're gonna be like a hunter or a
Okay.
commander who just loves lavish things. Not that I condone hunting of Siberian tigers. Maybe you could just be a tiger.
I like that.
Or Jafar. Jafar? What do you think? This thing
Can
is
be
like
done.
crazy. It even has a tail.
That's a long tail too.
It makes
Life
me
size.
think of Ace Ventura when he's like dancing with
The Monopoly guy?
yeah.
Hey, it's the Monopoly guy.
So those are my costumes for you.
Wow.
Wait, do I look like a tiger?
Yeah, you do. Hey. Ah! viewers decide. Seriously, you guys have to decide. I don't know. I don't know whose costume concepts were better. I feel like you have a more complete costume with the weed farmer. It's local. It's real. I feel like you could almost be weed. I could be the weed farmer, and you could be.
You made me a weed witch.
You could be a weed witch. Protecting the weed forest, and I'm the handsome shirtless farmer that's come to tame your weeds.
But then I have to kill you because you're trying to kill my weeds.
We have a lot to break down here.
Or a poacher. Maybe you're a hunter and I'm a forest nymph that doesn't like hunting.
I'll agree with the nymph part.
That's what I thought when I saw all the vines. I thought you were making me into like a fairy. Like a nymph.
Yeah. Kinda.
But I kind of like wood
witch. Wood witch.
Alright, we'll see how these come together.
Alright. Again, slap the subscribe. Ring the bell.
And have a happy Halloween.
And leave a comment or 8. If you leave 8 comments, then it should be something like a run-on sentence with no periods or exclamation points or any kind of grammatical correctness.
That's what people don't mind on the
Internet memes and stuff.
Alright, well thanks for watching, and maybe we'll do more of these challenges. Should we like nominate other people to do it?
Yeah.
Other bins people?
Yeah.
Or just thrifting, I guess you could do it in general. Like regular Goodwills. It's probably be a lot easier than bins. But I think we got to be more creative this way.
Yeah, you really have to. I mean, either way, because you're just kind of like, whatever's there, kind of have to mesh things together.
Alright, well, thanks for watching.
And the reveal of the costumes on
Will be at a later time. Another video?
Yeah, we're hashing this out right now. In the next video, we'll actually have the stuff on.
Yeah. And you can rate it.
Yeah.
Okay, I believe you. Bye.